Hello guys, this is going like that adventures and welcome back to another Minecraft, Alpha 8 new game for me because I've never played this Alpha 8 series. I don't know if it's a series, I'm just playing this for the first time, so hopefully you guys will enjoy. Yay! Here we go. Okay, look at these cars. I mean, I wish I bought them, but I guess not. I wish we did. I really wish we bought them right now. This car is okay, but I don't like it. I mean, oh, I met my mama. Wow, this is so cool. Wow, I'm just wowed. This is gonna be probably I don't know, maybe I might do more episodes. Oh yeah, please don't mind this screen right now. Okay, so, maybe or maybe not, I may do more episodes of this game because it's just fun. So, here we go. Oh, I have like jams going through my headphones, or my game headphones or something. And I'm also trying to record everything at once. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Oh snap. We just hit the jackpot. Skirt. Let's go. Ready? Skirt. Wreck. Knocked down. Sorry, I'm just trying to be weird. I don't know why. Here we go. Here we go. What? Oh wait, this is super hard. I don't know why. Dun, dun. Let's go. Here they are. Okay, wait. Here you going. I think I can knock number 3 over. I don't know. Never mind. Not probably. Maybe I could. Ready? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I mean, I don't know. My piece is pretty nice. I'm not using any of my power or whatever, but I could say, yeah, red. Knocked down a minute because I can't. Here I go, boss. Bruh, wreck. This is gonna be so hard, but it's so fun at the same time. Okay, we're in a nice snowy area. You can see that really well. Hey. Oh, snap. Yes. Here we go. Oh, baby, I just about missed that. Oh, yeah, let's go. 2 crashes. Aw, are you serious right now? I'm infected. Really? Really? Oh, can we make first? We made first. That is so fun. First, let's see what the rewards are. Time 2:35, not 40. I can't really read well, so. Okay, let's see. We had. Oh, they're too fast. They're way too fast. But even though it's really fun, it's really fun of a game. I can say that. I can tell you that, right? Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.